Good morning. I'm Tim Sutton, and today I will be showing you how to make a delicious pot of red beans and rice, a Louisiana hearty treat here. To begin this dish, you must first decide on what you want to cook them in. I prefer crock pot. Now place your beans, smoked ham hocks into the pot. Place it down on high. Add a teaspoon of garlic, thyme, and season with enough water to cover your beans and meat. Next, place the sausage on a prep board and begin cutting them into slices of your choice. Next, chop up your celery and green onion. Place your sausage into a skillet along with chopped ingredients. Pour a cup of water into the skillet. Cook sausage till cooked thoroughly. Once it's done, pour it into your pot with the beans. I use all the juice from the meat into the beans as they add flavor. The beans with your meat now is slow cooking. Begin cooking your rice. Mahama is my choice for over 40 years now. You can prepare your other dishes that you desire with your meal. Check beans periodically for 5 hours or so. Ensure that they are cooked, simmer, serve, and enjoy.